KPAR Tech. Today I will show you how to reset ASUS laptop using settings. So let we start. Step 1. Press Window plus X. Step 2. Click on Settings. Step 3. Click on System. Then scroll down. Step 4. Click on Recovery. Step 5. Click on Reset this PC. Then you can choose options according to your preferences. If you want to keep your files, then select upper. If you want to remove everything, then second option. Then simply click on local reinstall and then click on next to reset your ASUS laptop.